Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and I love spring rolls. They're like a healthy, eggless, not fried egg roll. You put stuff in them, you dip them in stuff. They're just fun. So today, let's make some delicious vegan tofu spring rolls. Let's get into it. I'm going to use bean threads as part of the filling, so let's get them soaking in some hot water. They need to soak for about 10 minutes before adding them to the rest of our filling. Alternatively, you can use rice noodles, but I love the bouncy, stretchy texture of the bean threads. Let's next get our tofu ready. Pat dry a block of extra or super firm tofu and cut it into tiny cubes. Next, take some garlic and ginger and mince both up. Grab a saute pan and set to medium-high. Heat up a drizzle of sesame oil and add the garlic, ginger, and tofu. Pour in a little soy sauce and cook those together for about 10 minutes until all liquid is evaporated and the tofu has browned up on the edges. Set the tofu aside and drain the bean threads, and let's finish up the rest of our filling. I like a mixture of shredded cabbage and carrots for spring rolls, and in keeping with the word easy in the title, I bought the pre-shredded stuff. Bonus, there's even broccoli in it. Dump the veggie mix into a bowl and add the tofu. Now cut your bean threads into 3-inch strands and add them in as well. Give it all a good mix and let's do my favorite step, wrapping the spring rolls. I have brown rice paper for today's rolls, but white rice paper works just as well. Rice paper sticks together once we activate it, so we're going to do these one roll at a time. Soak one paper sheet in warm water for about a minute. It's fine if it's slightly stiff when you take it out, as it'll continue to soften while we fill it. Lay the sheet on a flat surface and place about a 1/3 cup of our mixture into the lower center of the sheet. Top the filling off with some fresh Thai basil and let's close it up. Grab the bottom of the sheet and carefully pull it up and over the filling. Fold the sides of the sheet inwards and continue to roll the sheet. Practice makes perfect for this step. You want it tight enough so the filling isn't falling everywhere, but not so tight that the paper rips. Now continue to the next roll. Once all rolls are made, you're going to want something to dip it in. Sweet chili sauce or sweet and sour sauce work, but I prefer a super easy and delicious peanut sauce. All it is a heaping scoop of peanut butter mixed with hoisin sauce, with a little sriracha to give it some kick. Now that our rolls are springy and sauce is dippy, let's plate this dish. I've been waiting all day for these. It's so good! The veggies give such a satisfying crunch, and the subtle flavor of the spring rolls pairs perfectly with this peanut sauce. It is amazing. Well, that does it for today. Let me know how you fill your spring rolls in the comments section down below. If you're interested in any of the ingredients we used, we do have some links down in the description box. We are Amazon associates, so any purchase you make does help support our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
If I knew how to eat them, that'd be that much better.